Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue shaded right triangle BED fully confined in a big right triangle ABC, as you can see in this given diagram, such that the area of this blue shaded triangle has been given to us as 39 centimeter square, and this segment BD is 13 centimeter, and moreover this segment AE is equal to this segment BE, and furthermore this tiny segment CD is being represented by X. And now our task is to find the value of X. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. We know that the segments AE equals to BE. I'm going to label this segment as lowercase a, then this segment has got to be lowercase a as well. And I'm going to label this perpendicular DE as our height H. And finally, I'm going to label this side AC as Y. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole side AB length is going to be lowercase a plus lowercase a is going to be 2 times a. And now let's assume that alpha and beta are our two complementary angles. In other words, the sum of these two angles, alpha plus beta, must be equal to 90 degrees. So therefore, I'm going to label this angle alpha, and we know this is our 90-degree angle. So therefore, this angle has got to be our angle beta. And in this blue shaded triangle, this angle is beta. This is our 90-degree angle. So therefore, this angle has got to be our angle alpha. And now we can see that with these two right triangles, triangle ABC and the other triangle DEB are our similar triangles according to angle-angle similarity theorem. Here we can see this ABC is our big right triangle, and our triangle DEB is this blue shaded triangle. And since these triangles are similar, so therefore we are going to have a proportion. In other words, the ratio of the sides AB and AC is going to be equal to the ratio of the side lengths BD and DE. And here we can see our this AB length is 2 times A. So I'm going to replace that one with 2 times A over here. Our AC length is being represented by Y. So I'm going to just write down Y over here. Our BD length is 13. So I'm going to replace that one with 13. And finally, our this DE length is this perpendicular lowercase h. So I'm going to substitute this one with the lowercase h. So therefore, this whole thing could be written as 2 times A divided by Y equals to 13 divided by H. And now we are going to cross multiply. So therefore we can write down 13 times Y equals to 2 times A times H. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 13. So this 13 and 13 is gone. So therefore our Y value turns out to be 2 times AH divided by 13. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1. And here's our next step. We are going to focus on this blue shaded triangle DEB. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And here we can see for this blue shaded triangle, this side is our base and this one is our height. And furthermore, the area of this triangle has been given to us as 39. So therefore we are going to fill in the blanks in this formula. So the area of the triangle has been given to us as 39 equals to our base is a times h divided by 2. And now we are going to multiply both sides by 2 to remove this fraction. And here we can see this 2 and 2 is gone. So therefore our a times h value turns out to be 78. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 2. And here we are ended up with these equations, equation 1 and equation 2. And now let's focus on equation 2. Our a times h value is 78. I'm going to substitute that value over here in this equation 1. So this a times h value, I'm going to replace that one with the 78 over here. So therefore we can write y equals to 2 times 78 divided by 13. And if we simplify the right hand side, our y value is going to be equal to 12 centimeter. So thus our this y value turns out to be 12 centimeter. And now we are going to connect these two vertices A and D, as you can see in this next step. And as a result we are ended up with these two right triangle. This right triangle DEA and this is DEB. And now let's make an observation. We can see that these two right triangles are right triangle AED and the other triangle DEB are our congruent triangles according to side angle side congruency theorem. Here we can see this side is lowercase a and this is lowercase a as well. This is 90-degree angle and this is 90-degree angle as well, and this side is in common. And since these triangles are congruent, so therefore we conclude that this segment AD is going to be equal to the segment BD. We are talking about this AD segment is going to be equal to BD segment, and our BD segment is 13 centimeter. So therefore our AD segment has got to be 13 centimeter as well. And now let's focus on this right triangle ACD. And we can see its hypotenuse is 13, whereas its two other legs are lowercase x and 12. So therefore let's recall the Pythagorean triplets 5, 12 and 13. And here we can see we got 13 and 12. So therefore we conclude that this tiny segment CD is going to be 5 centimeter. So therefore our x value turns out to be 5 centimeter. And by the way, you could have used the Pythagorean theorem as well to calculate the value of x. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, our x value turns out to be 5 centimeter. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.